Are you ready to take to the skies without breaking the bank? In this video, we're diving into the world of the top 5 best budget drones, perfect for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts looking to explore aerial photography and videography without a hefty price tag. With new models flooding the market, it can be overwhelming to find the right fit for your needs. Join us as we explore top budget-friendly options that deliver exceptional performance, allowing you to enjoy the thrill of flying while keeping your wallet happy. Your aerial adventure awaits. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5, DJI Mini 2 SE, ready to take your aerial photography to new heights? Look no further than the DJI Mini 2 SE. This drone combines sophistication and simplicity, making it the best choice for beginners and seasoned flyers alike. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, easily fitting into your backpack for hikes or road trips. No need for FAA registration if you fly recreationally, a great perk for casual users. Enjoy an impressive maximum flight time of 31 minutes. This drone helps you maximize your adventures, and the combo option with additional batteries means extended exploration with up to 93 minutes of total flying time. Using the DJI Fly app, anyone can create stunning videos with just a few taps. Preset templates guide you through automatic flight and recording. This feature shines when sharing quick snippets on social media. Enjoy a robust transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, ensuring reliable flying even in challenging conditions. Compared to other drones, DJI OcuSync technology offers outstanding performance in anti-interference. Wind resistance is a game changer. Flying up to 38 kilometers per hour, level 5 wind resistance, provides peace of mind while capturing beautiful shots, even in breezy conditions. Simplified controls make mastering this drone feel effortless. A useful return-to-home function ensures safety, letting you fly without worry. What could be improved? While the DJI Fly app is not available on Google Play, you can download it directly from DJI's website. It's an extra step, but also ensures you're updated. In essence, the DJI Mini 2 SE excels in portability, usability, and flight capabilities. Don't miss out on exploring everything it can do for your aerial adventures. Number 4, Ryze Tello Boost Combo. Ready to take your flying experience to new heights? Ryze Tello Boost Combo is a mini drone that packs a punch. Weighing only 87 grams, it's sleek and lightweight, making it perfect for park outings or indoor fun. Powered by DJI, it truly stands out against similar models in its class. Capture breathtaking pictures and videos with the 5-megapixel camera. You'll appreciate the 720p HD video quality that ensures clarity and detail in your shots. For beginners, Tello offers one-tap easy shots, enabling you to create and share professional-level content effortlessly. This functionality makes it easy to impress your friends on social media. Exploring the Tello EDU app opens doors to creativity. With its kid-friendly Scratch programming language, it transforms flying into fun learning. You can drag coding blocks, prompting Tello to perform exciting tricks. This educational aspect enhances your programming skills while having a blast. Flight control shines with this model as well. Whether you're indoors or racing outdoors, Tello performs impressively. Innovative features like multiple flight modes make every session exciting. You can enjoy the thrill of flying without feeling overwhelmed. One area for improvement is the battery life. While 13 minutes of flight time sounds decent, more adventurous users might find themselves wanting a bit more. However, with 3 batteries included, you can easily extend your playtime by swapping them out. What stands out most is the sheer joy of flying this mini drone. For anyone seeking effortless fun combined with educational opportunities, the Ryze Tello Boost Combo is a fantastic investment. Discover why so many people love it by checking out the product further. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Experience the thrill of flying with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This lightweight drone excels with its stunning 4K HDR video camera, making it a standout choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. First, weighing under 249 grams, this mini drone allows you to travel light. Forget about cumbersome paperwork. Enjoy effortless flying without registration hassles. This convenience lets you focus on capturing incredible footage, not on bureaucratic red tape. Next, the omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature truly enhances safety. It detects objects in all directions, boosting your confidence during flights. New users will appreciate this added security, making flying less daunting. Extended battery life ensures uninterrupted adventures. With 34 minutes of flight time, it significantly reduces battery anxiety. Discover vast landscapes without constantly checking your watch. This feature alone sets the Mini 4 Pro apart from others in its class. You'll love the 20km FHD video transmission for seamless real-time aerial photography. This capability immerses you in the journey, giving you a crystal-clear view of everything below. Video lag becomes a thing of the past, making each flight even more enjoyable. Customizable intelligent tracking makes operating the drone a breeze. Active Track 360 degrees allows for sophisticated tracking even by novices. You'll find capturing smooth, professional-looking videos straightforward, regardless of your experience. While I adore the bright screen on the DJI RC2, its size may feel a bit small during lengthy sessions, yet others often appreciate the compact design for portability. Without a doubt, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is exceptional. Flight experiences become not just about capturing moments, but fully enjoying them. Dive deeper into the world of aerial photography with this remarkable mini drone. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography with the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. This drone impressively combines dual primary cameras and stunning 48-megapixel images, making it a top contender in the drone market today. One standout feature is the dual cameras, which allow for creative focal lengths, ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes. You'll love how they help tell captivating stories through your lens, perfect for travel or nature photography. Enhanced safety comes from omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing peace of mind even in tricky environments like forests or mountain ranges. With this feature, you can focus on capturing beautiful shots without constantly worrying about potential collisions. In addition, the ability to record 4K/60 frames per second HDR videos with rich details is nothing short of spectacular. Expect vibrant colors and lifelike visuals that make your footage pop and stand out among similar models. The 6-antenna array ensures a stable 1080p 60 frames per second live feed up to 20 kilometers away. This significant improvement in video transmission allows for smooth flights and real-time monitoring. While charging options could be better, such as needing to purchase a separate battery charger, this adds flexibility for those who prefer customized setups. Overall, DJI Air 3 shines above its peers with its remarkable features and user-friendly design. You'll genuinely appreciate its combination of convenience and professionalism in every flight. If you're passionate about aerial photography and want the best performance, don't miss exploring the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo further. Number 1. Potensic ATOMSEGPS Drone. Looking for an impressive drone? Meet the Potensic ATOMSEGPS drone. This is a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike, weighing less than 249 grams, so you won't need FFA registration. Its lightweight design allows you to easily carry it around, fitting snugly in your jacket pocket. Equipped with a stunning 4K EIS camera and a Sony sensor, capturing beautiful images becomes effortless. The exclusive Shake Vanish technology ensures your photos and videos remain stable, even in windy conditions, which is critical for outdoor shoots. Adjust the camera angle vertically from +20 degrees to -90 degrees to achieve the perfect shot. Learning to fly is a breeze thanks to the Surgefly flight control system. It features a beginner mode and 3 flight modes. As you gain confidence, switch to sport mode to reach max speeds of 16 meters per second within just 2.8 seconds. This drone also grants 62 minutes of flight time through 2 intelligent batteries. Feel free to explore without the constant worry of recharging. Control signals travel up to 4 kilometers thanks to PicSync 2.0. This ensures smooth video capture without annoying latency. Precise GPS auto-return features give you peace of mind, guiding the drone back during low battery or lost signal. Minor limitations include slightly challenging controls in strong winds, but practice makes perfect. Overall, you get a ton of features that make this model stand out in a crowded market. Pilot with confidence and explore aerial photography like never before. Dive deeper into the world of the Potensic ATO MSE GPS drone and discover all its exciting features. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.